Joey's in the box. Joey!
Oh, Joey.
Oh. Bonnie doesn't like her.
Oh, little Joey.
I want to get in the box too.
Well, I guess it's poor now, actually.
Yeah. And she doesn't dig them in. Well, she does with other people because she doesn't like them. Don't! It's okay, the light was on you. You can't see it. Joey! He's getting back in the... He's going to get back in the box.
Get the box.
Joey! You're going to be a sleepy cat. Oh my god. He thinks it landed on the floor.
He's so stupid.
Joey! Wow!
That's what he's done.
Woo!
He's so fat. Rosie, you want to bless up?
And she's going to try and get in too.
Eat it already. I was meant to throw it in the box. Oh, I think I threw it on his head.
Aww.
Rosie, Joey!
Don't make him fight around me.
No, but she get in trouble for that, she will.
Yeah, but I prefer Rosie.
She get in trouble for it later with Joey, it's tougher.
Yeah, but I'll cuddle her. She'll be okay. Joey's balancing on the box. Oh, we've got a thing. This would be really funny if it collapses.
Give one each then.
Yeah.
Same time though, we'll end up like...
I know.
Obviously, in that way, look. You know.
Feed me. No, she's not.
She thinks that...
Joey's like, pretty please.
Right, come on, done. He has a food bowl, he sends the bowl now. Let him have it. Joey, see
That's so mean. He was like, oh, I don't get it.
Hey, it's so far. I know.
They look like smoking cats. Oh yeah, this is some good shit.
Hold it out.
I know, your language. Joey.
Rosie's done.
Rosie's probably just got it stuck
Rosie's
in
licking
there.
the floor still. Well done! Well done, Rosie.
Well done, pig.
She's eating me, man.
Joey! Oh, you're tricking him.
It's fun to trick him, but...
Where's this Joey?
Terrible.
That is so mean. Stupid.
You said that and then Zoe just like...
Joey! Hello, baby.
He left that one. It's so sad. We're doing a big video about the cat. Our cats slowly rise. So they wake up, they sleep, they eat, and then they sleep again. You say that.
Joey! Joey!
It's so easy to have cats like.
Joey! Joey! Say bye! Say bye-bye, Joey! Bye-bye. Bye.